Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen R6. This incredible device is a game changer, offering a unique and powerful way to elevate your gameplay. We'll dive into why Zen R6 stands out as the only true method for achieving peak performance and how it can transform your gaming sessions. Get ready to unlock its full potential and experience a level of control you never thought possible. To get started, first connect your Zen R6 device to your preferred gaming platform. It's a straightforward process, typically involving just one or two cables. Next, you'll need to install the accompanying software. This crucial step ensures your device communicates perfectly with your system. Follow the on-screen prompts for a quick and easy installation, and then proceed with the initial calibration to prepare your Zen R6 for action. Once your Zen R6 is set up, it's time to explore its powerful features. Dive into the software to discover a wealth of advanced settings. You can create custom profiles for each of your favorite games, allowing for personalized control schemes and sensitivities. Experiment with different configurations to find what works best for you, ensuring every button press and movement is perfectly optimized for your unique playstyle. To truly maximize your Zen R6 experience, remember to keep your device's firmware and software updated. This ensures you always have access to the newest features and performance enhancements. If you encounter any issues, the online community and official support resources are fantastic places to find solutions. Consistent practice with your personalized settings will solidify your muscle memory, allowing you to fully leverage the power of Zen R6 in every gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.